Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1958 Chevy Impala, which is the first year of the Impala and the year in which Bel Air is no longer the top model, GM's top model, but the Impala is for Chevrolet division. So before we unbox it, please don't forget to like my video, share it, and to subscribe my channel. Let's move on. Once we've unboxed the Impala, we can now take a better look at it. This is 1958 Impala, which became the full-size top model of the Chevrolet division instead of Bel Air. And in 1958, this car had very interesting lines, and this was the only year the car had this design. This is it's got a very nice color. It's a very nice gold metal flake. And one thing we can notice that this is made by ERTL in a 1:18 scale, and the quality of this car is really good. It's really shows some improvement compared to the other ERTL models. As we can see, the front grille, which is not exactly a grille but a reproduction, is a very good reproduction actually, with all the auxiliary lights and the headlights, which are pretty realistic, as well as the emblem and badge right here, which are separate pieces. As we take a look at the engine, we can see that the engine bay, it's very full of details, as well as the engine itself, which is a big block and features all cables and wires and hoses and all components that belong in an engine bay actually. The front panel was also well made, as well as the hood and even the hinges, which are not exactly like the original hinges in the original car, but are pretty well made as well. These fender ornaments also look very realistic, and these sort of louver ornaments that were kind of copied from the 1957 Bel Air, but the 1957 Bel Air, they were only 3, are cast in metal and painted over. The trim is actually made of separate pieces, and they are well adjusted and well aligned, as well as very well reproduced. The Impala badge right here with the 2 flags, which looks very nice. It's a painting actually, but it looks really nice. Door handle and the door lock. The door lock is cast in metal. The door handle is a separate part, and the mirror, which is very well reproduced. As we take a look at the interior, we can see that the interior is very well made. The dashboard could use some painting on it so it wouldn't look so much as plastic. The seats fold forward. You can see the pedals, the steering wheel, the headliner, which were very well taken care of. This antenna that used to feature in those 50s cars, sometimes there were 2, those were optional. The trunk lid with the V-shaped badge and the Chevrolet emblem right above it, and the lock right here, which is a painting. The tail lights, those were very interesting in the Impala. They were just double in the Bel Air, and in Delray they were just a couple here, with this curve going sharper here, and this slope here a little bit steeper. The trunk, as we open it, we can see the spare tire, and this is a piece of plastic which simulates the mat. It's pretty well made really for this model, which is not a top line just like the Miniaturas, but it's still a very nice line. That's by ERTL. We can see the other trim here, and one more look at the inside interior. steering wheel. As we turn front wheels, it steers. A dashboard, door panels, very nice. Wheels and tires were very realistic. And last but not least, the bottom of the car. It's got a very well reproduced base with the mufflers, the gas tank, front and rear suspensions as separate pieces. They were very well made. The other parts are all in black, but still the right tones, the correct tones. The engine and transmission were made in separate pieces, and the drive shaft was made in a separate piece, but it's actually fixed, but still a very nice made part in this car. As we can see, this line of ERTL is made much more carefully than the previous lines we had before. So that's going to be it for now. I'd like to thank you for seeing this video. Please don't forget to give me your like, your thumbs up, to share this video, and to subscribe my channel. And I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.